Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I got some pretty awesome mail. I got a little box here, and I got something right here. So I had already opened this last night, as there's only my address on the front, there's no return address, so I didn't know who it was from. I was like, well, this seems kind of weird, but I opened it up, and lo and behold, I got stickers. Oh, upside down. I got stickers from Roy and Jess over at Christ-Centered Ironworks. I'll drop a link to their channel in the top right. Not that I need it, but just if you haven't already, go check them out. Roy produces awesome content every single day, like showing how he does everything. I think he has over 1,000 videos. He's close to like 1,500 or something. And also it comes with his little business card. So that's pretty cool. And that's it for this. So I really appreciate the stickers. I'll definitely find a great place to put these things. Now onto the box. This comes from Eric Radcliffe over at Clean Slate Forge, and I'll make sure to go drop a link in the top right to his channel if you haven't already subbed. I made a video a while back, I think it's a Clean Slate Forge entry video, and so I put it in the comments, hey, I made my video for your entry. He just didn't see it. Something weird happened with YouTube. Doesn't matter. But he did send out something because he felt bad that didn't work. So this is something he sent me, and I want to get into it. So I just got my nice little Leatherman here, and cuts like butter. I really appreciate how he wraps his box. It's very similar to mine, but I think I overkill it. I usually wrap the entire box, just so, that doesn't fall apart in the mail. But his definitely didn't, so that's pretty cool. And something I did mention to him was I'm trying to start a leaf collection. Trying to start like a little leaf collection of everyone's like a style of their leaf, and make sure they have like a touch mark on the back, because I'd love just to have like everyone's leaf with a touch mark, because that'd be super cool. But he sent me out something. He sent me out this instead of entering in the hammer giveaway. And I think it's really cool. It's a nice, I think it's an oak leaf, he said. So this is really cool. And then he sent out Clean Slate Forge blacksmith sticker. That's pretty cool too. I got more stickers. Definitely gonna have to find a place for these. He also sent out this Forged in Fire picture, and he's got an autograph on there, which is pretty cool. And he sent out a shirt. So he's coming out with some shirts, and he offered to send me a shirt instead of a knife, and I thought that was really cool. Well, he also he offered to send out a leaf and a shirt instead of a knife, because I mentioned that. So this, I believe it's a 2XL. Yep. So this should fit me perfectly. Clean Slate Forge on the back. I'll definitely be rocking this shirt. And this is actually, I'm thinking about starting like a shirt line, mostly just for me, so I have a shirt when I go to like events and whatnot. They got my name on it. But like I like how he's got just a corner pocket. That's like my favorite preferred type of shirt, with a pretty cool logo on the back. Otherwise, I just usually like a blank shirt. So this is super cool. He sent me a shirt, a leaf, a sticker, and his autograph. So this is super awesome. Thank you, Eric. And thank you, Roy and Jess, for sending out stickers. And if you guys haven't already, I'm dropping the links to their channels in the top right. Go check them out. And sorry there's no blacksmithing today. I'm doing this as quick as I can because I gotta turn around and get out to a choir concert. And a fun thing that happened is I lettered in choir, and I ordered my Letterman jacket, and it should be here in a couple months. But just fun thing. Yeah, I'm getting a Letterman jacket for choir, so super excited for that. Other things are, this weekend I'm going up to a Boy Scout camp to teach some kids how to do some blacksmithing. Well, actually, this weekend is more of a meeting setup for the camp that's going on over the summer. So it's just like a super basic course showing them how to swing a hammer, taper out, bend it over the horn. It's about as simple as it gets. It's nothing intricate. It's nothing like making hammers. But it's gonna be really cool. So I'm excited for that. I'll probably make a video whenever I get time on doing like how I'm gonna do the course for them and requirements and whatnot, because there's like a whole handbook guide right here. There's like, I think it's like 9 pages long on requirements for the class. And I also have, if you guys want to look at it quick, I got this is all my notes for the class. So this is some of the requirements. This is all requirements. And there's different options. Again, like when I make a video on it, I'll explain everything. It'll be pretty cool. But this weekend it's going up there. I'm meeting the counselors. I'm probably meeting some of the kids that may take the class, because you can get a merit badge off of it, and that helps you to get like Eagle Scout and higher awards and stuff. So that'd be cool. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing this weekend. So I can't do any blacksmithing, so that's why this video is coming out and I don't have any pre-recorded. So sorry about that. I've been busy with work, school. I just took my second AP test for the year, and the final one, thank God. I don't think I could do another one this year. They're 5 hours long. It's too many hours. But that's that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, check out their channels, and please drop a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So goodbye.